Have you ever walked in front of our high school and wondered how tall is our flagpole? Like, come on, that thing's huge, so, like, a little question mark, right? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find out the height of this flagpole using Trig. Once you have recorded the measurement of your eye level, you go outside and measure a distance that you can stand from that you will use your kilometer at. After you have recorded that distance, you want to stand from that same measurement and use a kilometer and look at the top of the flagpole. The next step is to subtract that angle from 90 to get your angle of elevation. Alright, so now that we were outside and we come back inside, we now know our eyesight level for me is 69 inches. And then after we did the wingspan method, we came back and we saw that it was 284 inches away from the flagpole. And when I used a kilometer and looking at the top of the flagpole, I found that I had an angle of elevation of 50 degrees. So once we do that, I'll look here. So here's our little drawing. So we have the flagpole, we're standing 284 inches away from the flagpole, and my eyesight level, is 69 inches tall. And once we do that, so now we could look at our diagram here, and we see that we can make a little right triangle. And this is our angle of elevation, so let's say 50 degrees. So we have our angle of elevation 50 degrees, we have our right degree, 90 degree right angle, and we have X, which we're trying to find the height of the flagpole. So once we do that, we look at what we could use. So we have sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. We have cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, and we have tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. And I think we're going to use tangent here because we do have the adjacent and we do have the opposite. We're trying to find the opposite, so we're going to use tangent. So let's see, I'm going to use tangent of 50 degrees, which is our angle of elevation, equals the opposite over 284. So that'll be x over 284. So when we have this, you have to multiply by both sides. 284. You put that into the calculator, and you get x equals 838.5 inches. So then now we have to factor in our height, because we only found this part. That's that. So now we have to add in our eyesight level. So you add 69 inches and you get 407.5. And now we want it in feet. So now we convert that and we get 33.9 feet is the height of the flagpole. So we could roughly estimate that the flagpole is within 30 to 35 feet tall.